Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am adding a few touches of fall in my ensuite. If you are interested in seeing what I am doing today, just keep on watching. So a company reached out to me by the name of Parrot Uncle to take a look at their website, and they sent me a beautiful ceiling fan. The ceiling fan that they sent me is a retractable ceiling fan. Let me tell you a little bit about this company and this retractable ceiling fan that I received. Parrot Uncle has been around for about 10 years. They started in 2013. They are a strong and quick growing company in the global field of lighting and ceiling fans. They have designed and manufactured a number of trending products that sells very well around the world. With extremely exquisite product craftsmanship, they bring artistic enjoyment to your life. Now, as you can see, they have so much to choose from. The selection of their products are amazing. Now this is the retractable ceiling fan that I received. It's a 42-inch crystal retractable ceiling fan with foldable blades. So when the ceiling fan is not in use, it looks like a chandelier. The light bulbs aren't included in the package, but luckily I had some on hand and I do need to order more. You could have dimmable light bulbs as well if you want. Now, this retractable ceiling fan that I received, it was so easy to assemble. Most of the ceiling fan itself came already assembled. Now we are attaching the bling to the ceiling fan, which took no time at all to do. And I love the fact with the bling bling, you have a circle within a circle of the bling, which makes this retractable ceiling fan so pretty to me. What I do love about this ceiling fan as well, it comes with a remote. And here is my retractable ceiling fan in my bedroom. It is so stunning to me. I did select a black ceiling fan because I'm going to introduce some black in here at the end of the year or possibly the beginning of next year. So that's why I went with black. So stay tuned for that. Information about Parrot Uncle and this product, their website, will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blesties. You need to check them out if you are looking for lighting, if you're looking for ceiling fans, because the quality is there, the price point is there, and the look, the beautiful, stunning products you will receive. It's there. So I've been wanting to work on this space for quite some time. I wanted to do some painting of the walls, but the week that I was planning on doing the painting, Hurricane Ian disrupted my plans. So I have put the painting of this room off until the first of the year. And I started some minor things that I wanted to do. So guys, I'm just going to tweak my bedding for fall. I'm not changing my comforter set. I purchased this set at the beginning of this year with every intention not to be constantly buying comforter sets, because those are hard to store away. And my closet space is very limited. So I'm going to tweak this bed by changing out the quilt set. All right. And a few pillows. So I purchased this set from Amazon. It is a king size quilt set in burgundy. I'm going with the burgundy tone because one, my girl Christy C gifted me some beautiful burgundy fall pillows. And two, I have already in my home, I have quite a extensive fall stash, and I have burgundy decor. So this is going to be perfect in this room. Something else that I did, making something old new in these nightstands. My son did not want this furniture, and I said, okay, these pieces are heavy, so I will keep them, but I will tweak them. And this is what I did to them. I painted them a metallic gold, and they came out amazing. I absolutely love them now, and changed out the knobs to them. I added some glass drawer pulls to them, and this came out amazing. I've done the nightstands. Now I need to do the dresser. I'm gonna need a little help going down the stairs with that, so I'll be doing the dresser later. Now this sofa, or this love seat, is pitiful, and it's on my list to replace with a love seat or a sofa at the foot of my bed, because I love having this here. We sit here and watch TV at night, so it is on my list to replace. But for right now, I am going to add the beautiful burgundy pillows that Christy C gifted me, that says "Bless this home." I love the burgundy with the gold hues. And she gifted me 2 of them. So I'm going to place them on this love seat and let it do for now. I'm going to shop my home and replace those mirrors on the wall above my nightstands with some mirrors that will go perfectly with the nightstands. The mirrors that you see up now, nothing's wrong with them. I just want that metal or metallic gold look to come out a little bit more. So I'm going to replace those mirrors that I have hanging up now with these mirrors. I had these in this space before, and they just fit perfectly over this nightstand. Lastly, I'm going to add some decor to the nightstands by adding this ginger jar and placing some florals in it in that burgundy hue. And lastly, adding a decorative box to the nightstand. So let's see what we have accomplished today in my ensuite. Adding this beautiful burgundy to this space. The nightstands look amazing with the comforter set. And look at these Bless This Home pillows. Here are the mirrors hanging above the nightstands. How beautiful. And ties in perfectly in this space. Loving the simplistic decor on the nightstand, as well as those glass drawer pulls on that metallic color. Now above the headboard, I kept it as is. Those are some decor pieces that I picked up from Hobby Lobby years ago. The headboard itself is an upholstered headboard that I purchased from Amazon. I absolutely love the beige tone in that headboard. Those big pillows next to that Thankful oblong pillow, Amazon finds that I've had for many, many years that did not come with the comforter set. Comforter set itself came from J.C. Penney. And it works very well with the nightstands. I placed the burgundy quilt at the foot of the bed and placed the shams to the quilt set at the head of the bed. This C table I already had, came from Kane Furniture, and I will be replacing that, or it will be moving to another area in my home. And of course, this love seat and those pillows. This is my hubby's side and his nightstand. He wanted something very simple, no fuss. And we both love, absolutely love, this space that we can retreat to at night. Thank you, Parrot Uncle, for letting me share this beautiful ceiling fan with my family members. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful. I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.